Hey you guys, this is Mrs. Bullock. I wanted to go through with you the South Asia map. I know it says South and Central Asia, but we're only going to do South Asia. So not all of these will need to fill in. I only have, I think, 10. It's not a quiz grade, but I just, in the quiz type format, I ask you, hey, what country is number 8? Hey, what physical feature is H? So you'll see the multiple choice section. But I kind of wanted to go over this with you. What I did is I have a PDF file of this map, and I also screenshot the map. Then I put the textbook pages in there so you can be able to identify what is what from looking at the textbook pages. I'm also going to do this video to help you. So real quick, you guys, Central Asia, you don't need to know, okay? But there are a few that I am going to put on there. For example, Afghanistan. Afghanistan is number 12, okay? We've talked about with the Taliban, kind of in between Southwest Asia, South Asia, and then Kazakhstan, which is number 10. Now, they have the word "stan" at the end because it means land. Kazakhstan is a very large country in Central Asia. So again, these countries, the stands right here, you're not going to need to know. I know they're on the map. Couple of things that I want to show you is South Asia, this list right here. Bangladesh is number 5, which is here. Okay, Bhutan is number 2. Okay, China is number 7, and I know there are 2 number 7s. This is kind of cut off because China's in Southeast Asia, but I wanted to show you where it is in relation to South and Central Asia. Okay, then you have on here, you have India. India is number 8. And it is actually considered a subcontinent. It's not a continent, but is a subpart of Asia, okay, or part of. The island of Maldives or Maldives is really small little thing, number 4. These islands, very tropical, beautiful. Nepal is number 3, and Nepal actually is where Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is located. Many people travel there to climb or trek Mount Everest. Okay, the next country is Pakistan, and Pakistan is number 1, and that's where in Swat Valley Malala was born. In Pakistan is the Indus River, which goes through here, and it is G. Okay, Sri Lanka looks like an upside down teardrop or teardrop, and it is number 6 down here. Okay, now, other important features, I have labeled some letters like the Hindu Kush is L, Khyber Pass is R, which is this pass here. I told you the Indus River. Okay, the letter H, this peak is Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. This mountain chain is in, that is the Himalayas. It's the border between India, China, and then it runs through Nepal and Bhutan. This river here, I, is the Ganges. Interesting story about the Ganges. This is where people actually, if they're Hindu, put bodies on rafts and send them down the Ganges River, and then they burn them. The government is really trying to stop this from happening, and I'll explain why in class. Very interesting. This line right here, if you guys can see, S is the Tropic of Cancer, and I have it labeled. The Western and Eastern Ghats is right here, the small little mountains here. The upside down triangle is J, the Deccan Plateau. Now, there are other features here. The Thar Desert is F. The Hindu Kush is L. But I just wanted to touch base with a few of these physical features that we will be talking about in class that I want you to look over. I think there are 10 questions about this map. Again, I took a screenshot of the book pages to look at a labeled map to help you out. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.